Good morning, students. In geography classes of standard 10th CBSE NCERT. Today I would like to start a very fresh chapter 4th, agriculture. Children, the word agriculture derived from the two Latin words agri plus culture. Agri means land, culture means cultivation. That's why agriculture means land cultivation. Here I want to show you the figure of some crops. These are the figure of wheat crops, rice crops and rubber plant. India is an agriculturally important country of the world. 2/3 of its population is engaged in agricultural activity. 2/3 population engaged in agricultural activity and 1/3 in other activity. Agriculture is the primary activity which produces more of food crops that we consume, and besides food crops it also produces raw material for various agro-based industry. Can you tell me the name of some agro-based industry? Here I want to show you a picture of agro-based industry. It is the picture of textile industries. Now the next point is the types of farming. Agriculture is an old economic activity in our country. From ancient to modern time, many agricultural methods were being used. Nowadays there are three types of farming: primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming. Today I'll teach you a primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. It is practiced on a small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, hoe, digging stick and family or community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility, power of the soil and suitability of other agricultural conditions. This farming depends on, the monsoon, natural fertility of soil, sustainability of other environment. Very primitive old farming methods. It is also, as example, slash and burn agriculture. It is known as shifting agriculture. Once again, here I want to show you the picture of shifting agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture means shifting agriculture. In this agriculture, farmers clear a patch of land and produces cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, means reduces, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This type of farming allows nature to enrich the soil, but in this type of farming agricultural productivity is very low because farmers don't use modern method of agriculture, fertilizers and manures. It is known by different names in the different part of the country. In India, northeastern state it is known as the Bhumi. Andaman, Nicobar and Chhattisgarh it is known as the Deepa. Madhya Pradesh, Bewar, Dahiya. Andhra Pradesh, Kodu. Manipur, Pamlau. Odisha, Kumar. In the world, Mexico, Milpa. Central America, Panuku. Brazil, Raka. Indonesia, Ladin. In the geography book, the name of the shifting agriculture in other countries and the world, these are given. So students, these are the today's topic under the chapter of agriculture. Tomorrow I will teach you types of farming, intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming. Thank you.